They care about it falsely, They're polluting constantly. They're, just taking money. They don't care about renewable energy, about anything. They just,
exactly. No,
do anything for their own profit, nothing else.
It's happened everywhere in part of the world. Even India itself, so many corruptions.
Yeah.
Poor peoples are poor.
Yeah.
Richer are rich.
Exactly. Yeah.
If I want to go and get in the loan, very difficult.
No, yeah.
If I want to buy some...
No, you can even get a loan, but to get a loan you have to pay triple the money you take. They don't subsidize you, they don't help you, with your businesses and with anything, They help the people that come from abroad. They don't help the people from here, See, they're building a huge road here now to connect Golubac with Belgrade, with the highway.
Okay.
There's a huge construction site all the way. So they're building a new highway. All of that is this, and all around towards the. So next year or the year when they finish it, maybe in 2 years, it's going to be a huge highway over 200 kilometers from the gorge to the highway. So it's going to be a faster. There is a lot of corn here as well.
This one corn.
Sunflowers here, corn is here. Corn is the biggest yield of Serbian crops. 51% of the crops are corn. And some 20 something, 30 almost are sunflower. Then we have sugar cane, barley, maize, wheat, buckwheat and many others.
So corn is more, huh?
Yeah, the biggest yield, The biggest part of the agriculture is corn. So everywhere you have corn, literally every part of the country, and this is also corn, you see. Sunflowers are in the middle, but this is also corn.
Yeah.
But it hasn't been harvested yet, it's not fully ripened.
So this corn like sweet corn or this is like
Sweet corn, regular corn. There are many breeds.
One more thing here I notice, mostly the people here, everybody have dogs.
It's a lot of people have either dogs or on the traffic, there should not be too many traffic jams in this time of the year, in this time of the afternoon. So we're going to see, we're going directly towards the Metropole Hotel. It should take us not more than 10-15 minutes from